Perfect room. So perfect. Miat, say hi. That's Emmy. And then my bed. And then look at our ref. Ooh, hello. Coffee.
Try to check on the CR and you go to poo
And then look at our CRO. Look at the frame. And if you want to call your loved one while you're pooping, you can also do that. And look at this. You have toothbrush, toothpaste, shower cap, soap, shampoo, sink. Oh, look at that. It's so cute. And of course, blow dryer. Blow dryer. What else? Our closet. Look at our closet. No clothes yet. Then we have a safe box. And then we have a room that's connected to another room. See? A room that's connected to another room. It's cool.
You know what? I'm sure we won't go through it. I mean, you know, it's Andrea being Andrea.
Then our view. Look at our view. That's our view. So cute.
Last.
Gawas ko video ko. Wow. Mag-knock lang ako ha. Over there. Hallway. Exit. Tapos mga tips. Look at that. Di ko mahimutan og picture. Smile.
Hello, A.
Hi, Val. Valerie, Janet, the blooming girl.
Glowing.
That also gets cranky sometimes. Video ko, hoy. Di ko ganagpuan picture. Yan.
Ayoko.
Ed, please, smile.
Kumusta ito yung classmate?
Textmate? Buwang ka? Hi, Doors. Smile. Ah, okay. Delete na. Ay, sis. Ga-video ko. Gavid ko ha, gavid. Hi there. Hi, Mars. Video. Hello. Hi, Mai. Oh. Pagwapa mo, sige. Kaya ako ipo sa front. Stop. Ay, woo! Mga beautiful ladies of Salatec.
Video ni mo, Day?
Oo. Hi, Mom. Say hi.
Hi!
Hello. Ay, sis, hello. Ah, ito mo ba?
Il, picture ta, Il. Ganito man ka.
Sige, go.
Go sa pa-picture.
Cute ang hotel. Ay, video siya.
Kasi kasama tapos Maria.
Tor, tala mag-ilis sa tamato mo ka.
Valerie is calling you. Ano na tama picture? An hour ago, baling si Rusuha. Ay. Yes, ganun.
Ako, imo minagda. Pagkalagi siya lips.
James, say hi. Lover boy, say hi.
Hi, Ella.
Nice. Daddy, you say hi, Dads.
Uy,
Hello.
sorry, bro.
Gavid man ko.
Ah,
Ay, sis. Say hi, Drake.
Yo, yo.
Say hi. Tapos. Say hi.
Ano ba day?
Say hi.
Ito.
Sus dimples kayo siya. Oh. Wala ra. Ga-video. Naka-work tonight? Kusap ni mga guwapas na latak ba?
Yes.
Bisag taken, guwapa naman gyapon. Going back upstairs. No. Hello. Two, 4, 9. Knock knock. Hi. I'm back. I'm Beckham. Wala pa gyapon tao diya sa open ra. Oh, open ra. Di ato mo sa nilas. Ay.
Tanya siya. Kasi ko, gida sa bed.